friends, welcome to another episode in Live Life. I'm Tejinder Ladi Singh and I hope you are all doing fine. About a couple of episodes back, I had made a Ford truck painting in oil pastels, and I had told in that painting, in that episode, that the truck was just a part of the painting, part of the story, and that will complete the story in the next episode. For some reason, the next episode went to something else. किसी ने पूछा नहीं स्टोरी का क्या हुआ, सवाल जवाब करो, कोई गुफ्तगू करो, कोई चाय पे चर्चा. I'm starting to have doubts if you are even watching the full video. Someday soon, I'm going to ask you a prize money question out of these videos. फिर मत कहना आउट ऑफ सिलेबस आ गया. चलो, let's do a flashback and quickly recall what we did in that episode. Just one thing. Painting is one of my more passionate of all passions, and I also believe that you should be passionate about the subject, the elements in your painting. That will give a substance, a life to your painting. I love to include the elements of car, jeep, bikes in my paintings. बचपन से गाड़ियों का बहुत शौक था. I used to have a very good collection of those small die-cast dinky cars. You could open the doors, the hatch, hood, and I am still nurturing a dream to dedicate a full room to a model of a small township sort of thing, with buildings, roads, countryside, and this will not be just for visual gratification, but I still would love to engage with it. I would play with the cars even now. That is my passion. Let's move ahead.
Normally I'd be the one to pump the brakes. The minute things get good, I cut it just to excuse, put on a poker face. But ever since you came along, I've changed my ways. Yeah, you make me feel like a queen, growing out of my mind, dancing on top of if it's fake or make believe, but whatever you're giving me, I know that I need it. You're making me lose it. Alright. I don't wanna do it, but I just might call you up and tell you how I'm feeling about you now. I don't wanna wait another hour for you. Okay with letting someone like you in, but somehow you've gotten underneath my skin. Oh, I could get used to it. Yeah, you make me feel like a queen, growing out of my mind, dancing on top of the ceiling. I can't tell if it's fake or make believe, but whatever you're giving me, I know that I need it. You're making me lose it. Alright.
have their own process, we have our own. Picking up from where we had left in the last episode, there's what we made in the last episode. Here goes our story. Don't worry about the truck, it will be back, just gone for a trial run. I just want you to be sure what we built last is for real. What comes to your mind when you see this SUV truck? Muscle, power, speed, strength, luxury, rich, science, technology, advancement. On the other hand, those lovely ladies seem to be a picture of poverty, drudgery, need, struggle. Statistics say women in the rural areas the world over have to walk 6 to 8 kilometers daily on an average to fetch potable water for their daily household chores. Science and technology ought to have helped narrow down the gap between such extremities. Certainly not happening here. Now that is because of inept technology or lack of intention is a big question mark, at least for me. Anyhow, let's ponder on this. We all know Earth is 70% water, but only 3% can be used for drinking, cooking, washing, irrigation. Out of that, 2/3 is in the form of frozen glaciers. Water in terms of volumetric measure is not going to increase. On the contrary, with increase in population, the per capita availability of water is going to decrease, is decreasing with every passing day. We just talked about the statistics in the rural areas, but I may as well tell you the situation is no less grave in the urban areas as well. We all have faced it, we are facing it. We just have to remember the times when we had to go waterless for a day. The message is loud and clear. Let's use water and not misuse it. Let's use it prudently, judiciously. Let's leave this one legacy for our future generation. That will be all for now, friends. So like if you like this video, share you must, at least for the message it carries. Subscribe to keep getting more such videos from the Pastel Passion Garage, and don't forget that bell icon. See you soon, and meanwhile you take care.